To those who are new, I'm Monica, passionate about cooking plant-based meals. And today I'm going to demonstrate how to cook perfect dried chickpeas. Let's get started. We know that chickpeas have lots of benefits to our health. They are a good replacement for meat, flour or gluten, and white rice in diabetic and cholesterol controlled diets. They have high protein and fiber content. You can get the already cooked chickpeas in cans, or you may cook them from the dried ones. But the problem is how to cook perfect dried chickpeas so that they are tender enough to be incorporated in your favorite dishes. Let's talk about it. Sure, after opening a new packet of dried chickpeas, best is to keep them in a tight container and keep them in a cool, dry place. Remember to write down the expiry date on the container so that you'll always have a good quality of chickpeas. Here I'm showing you how to cook 100 grams of dried chickpeas. You may multiply them as desired. And 100 grams of chickpeas is roughly about a half cup. Rinse them thoroughly with lots of water to remove any dirt or debris. And please try not to include those brown peas because they might be not good to consume. After rinsing 2 to 3 times, cover them with lots of water, about several inches of fresh cold water to ensure they are submerged in the water. Bring them to boil at high heat. Add some salt for better result. It is boiling now. Turn the heat down to medium and let them continue to be boiled for another 10 minutes. After that, turn down the heat to medium-low and let them simmer for another 45 minutes. If your pot is deep enough, you may cover the pot by leaving the lid ajar to prevent the liquid spilling out. After 45 minutes, let them sit for a few hours and remember, do not open the lid until they are completely cool in the cooking liquid. Okay, while leaving them, I'm going out to meet a friend in another town. It is beautiful spring with fine weather. I'm back. Let's check the chickpeas. They look slightly yellowish and not yet plumped up. We need to keep them with the liquid in the refrigerator for 3 days or 72 hours. And guys, make sure they are cooling completely before storage in the fridge. The soaking process is crucial because it will soften the chickpeas and reduce cooking time. Hello guys. It has been 3 days. Let's take out the chickpeas. Wow, they are already double in size. The color is actually light brown. I think maybe it's my kitchen slide. And also the reflection. Let's filter out the liquid. But some people use the liquid to cook soup or broth. I think if the chickpeas are organic ones, that's probably no problem. They look fantastic. Oh yes guys, if you find them not fully cooked, you can simmer them for another 15-minute interval until desired texture is reached or achieved. You can use a fork to pinch them. They should be tender but not mushy. You see, the color is not pale but a little brown, right? And here you can see the size comparison. If they are double in size, that means they are already tender. Here we go with the cooked chickpeas. And my next cooking video, guys, remember, it is a delicious chickpeas curry. So guys, you may use these already cooked chickpeas for your favorite meals. I have using them as the main ingredients. Sometimes I mash or hump them and slip inside my sandwiches. Or I make some falafels out of them. You may also use them as your main ingredients in salad or cook them in tomato sauce. Last but not least, if you have any leftover, you may want to keep them in the freezer. Hello again. It took me 3 days, 72 hours to complete this cooking video, but it is worth. So for flavoring, there are few optional ingredients like bay leaves, garlic cloves or pinch of baking soda to help digestion. You may add them during the cooking process, okay? Thanks much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and do not forget to hit subscribe if you are new to my channel, and share it to help this channel grow and gain 1,000 subscribers. Okay? Thanks again. Bye. Hello, my Hello again. It took me 3 days, 74. Hello again. It took me 3 days, 72 hours to complete this cooking video. But I tell you, it is worth, you know. So for flavoring, you may add